everyone, welcome to a new video for Horilla. In today's video, let's discuss about the late come early out in Horilla's attendance module. So let's say an employee's shift begins at 9 a.m. and it ends at 5 p.m. and the employee has checked in at 9:15. So those 15 minutes will be marked as late come in that employee's attendance. So let's see how we can manage that. So before accessing late come early out from the attendance module, we have to make sure that we have enabled track late come early out from the settings. So let's navigate to settings, and under the attendance module, we have the track late come and early out. So let's enable that, and we can see that late come early out has been added under the attendance. So now we'll be able to track the late come and early out of different employees in their attendance. So let's go there. And over here, we'll be able to view different late come and early outs that has been recorded for different employees. So here we have the employee name, and this type indicates whether the employee was marked for late come or early out. And next is the attendance date. That is the date on which the late or early out record was logged. Check-in time indicates the check-in time of the employee. Then we have the check-in date over here. Next is the check-out time of the employee. Similarly, we have the check-out date also. And next we have the minimum hour. That is the minimum expected working hours for the employee's shift. That is provided over here. Then we have the at work. That is the actual duration the employee was present at work. And then we have the penalties. That is here, if there was any penalties that has been configured for the employee for the late come or early out, it will be shown over here. So to configure the penalty, we can click on penalty under the actions over here. And from here, we'll be able to set the penalty for that employee. So we can set penalties in two types. That is either we can deduct the leave from the employee's allocated leave, or we can set a penalty amount that will be deducted from the employee's next pay slip. So we have over here. So let's set the penalty for an employee. So let's go to Adam Lewis and click on penalty. So here we can see there are two leave types that has been allocated for this employee Adam Lewis. That is, he has annual leave, and the available days under that leave type is 12 days. So if we want to deduct those days from his available leave days, we can choose the leave type over here. Let's set the leave type as annual leave, and we can we can give how much leave we have to deduct from the available days. So let's say 1. That's enough. 1 day has to be reduced from his available leave days. Or if the leave has to be deducted from the carry forward days, we can enable this over here, and those leave will be deducted from carry forward. And then we have the penalty amount. So if you want to give a minus leave and also a penalty amount for the late come of that employee, we can provide the penalty amount over here. So let's also set a penalty amount of 100 and save. So we can see that the penalty has been added, and over here we'll be able to view the penalty. So we can view the penalty over here, that is annual leave minus days 1 deducted from carry forward days, yes, penalty amount and the created date. So like this we'll be able to view the penalties. And next we have the remove delete option. That is, if you want to remove the attendance, we can remove it like this. And next over here we have the search. That is, if you want to search for any particular employee's late come or early out, we can provide the employee name, and his late come and early out will be shown. Next is the filter. That is, in the filter we'll be able to filter out the late come and early out of the employees based on their work information, late come, early out, and advanced. That is, we can set the employee's name. Like if you want to filter out Abigail Roberts late come early outs, we can give the employee name and click on filter, and all the late come early out will be filtered out like this. And if you want to remove the filter, we can simply click on remove, and the filter will be removed. Like that we'll be able to add filters and filter out the records. Next we have the late come early out. That is, we can set the type, That is, if you want to view all the late comes of the employee, we can set the type as late come and filter. And all the late comes will be shown over here. Like that, we have different options to filter out from that, like a minimum attendance date, in time, out time, and all. We also have some advanced options, that is like attendance from to till date. So if we have provided a date over from and till, the attendances or the late come and early out records in that date range will be shown. We also have in, from, in, till, that is check-in time and check-out time and all. All those will be viewed or can be provided over here. And then we have the group by. If you want to group by the late come and early out based on fields like employee type, attendance date and all, we can group by the late come early out records like this. So if you want to remove all the filters, we can click on remove and all those will be removed. And then under the actions, we have the export option. That is, if you want to export the late come and early out, we can click on export and we can set the Excel columns that we need in that sheet we are exporting. That is, if you want all the columns, we can click on select all and all the columns will be exported in the sheet. So here I have selected few columns like employee type, attendance date, check-in date, check-out time and all. And then we have the work info. That is, if we want to export any particular employee's late come early out, we can give the employee's name over here and only that employee's late come early out records will be exported. And then we have the late come early out, we can set the type. That is, if you want to export only late comes, we can set the type as late come, or if you want to export only early out, we can set the type as early out. Like that, we'll be able to export particular records. And here we have the advanced, that is, we'll be able to provide the advance from attendance from attendance till date, in from in till date. Like that, we'll be able to filter and export the records. So here I'm clicking on export. You can see download started and over here we have the late come. So we can view the employee name, type, attendance date, check-in time, check-out date and all. So all the employee late come early out records has been exported to the sheet. So this is how we can export the late come early out records. And next under the action we have delete. So if you want to delete multiple records, we can select the records from here and click on delete and confirm. And those records will be deleted. And similarly, if you want to export only these particular employee records for late come early outs, we can select the employee records and click on export attendance and confirm. And we'll be able to view that only those employee records will be exported. So this is how we'll be able to view that. And nextly, if you want to unselect all of it, we can click on unselect and all those selected records will be unselected. So that's all for this late come early out in Horilla, and hope it is clear. Thank you for watching.